This is our ingay ni O. Pretend na tayo nga maganda. Thank you. Nahilo ko. Totoo nahilo ko. Parang ang hirap ako sundan yung camera. Kami yung concentric site Manila. So parang taga-tundo talaga. Dinala namin yung tundo dito sa Pasay. Hindi ako pumayag pero nasa kontrata. Hello, this is Adi Angie.
Hi!
We're here at Concentrix Recognition Night. Yeah. So, papa-makeup muna tayo. Behind me is our production team. Nandun sila Sir Jerome, si Happy, and sa likod. We're almost done sa ating hair and makeup. Ay, hindi pala. Makeup lang. Hello! So we are now getting ready. Actually, I'm ready. You're born ready. Here at Recognition Night. Pupunta tayo mamaya dun sa lobby. Mag-shoot tayo. So, hindi ko masyado mahawakan yung camera kasi we have to shoot outside. And fast-pacing to. So, ibang klaseng episode to ng Concentrips because hindi mo siya pwedeng ulitin. So, hindi rin siya pwedeng mag-cut. So, tuloy-tuloy. Sana magawa ko na maayos. Ayan na. So, halika na. Pretend na tayo nga maganda. Yan. So, pinilit po nila ako. Hindi ako pumayag, pero nasa kontrata. So, yan. Marami ng tao ngayon. Minsan hindi ako kinakabahan. Tuloy lang. Kain na tayo. Na. It shocks that I'm just the only person who's wearing teal.
Baka ikaw lang sa cluster, no? Sa dulo pa daw.
Masyado naman ginaligan. Masyado naman ginaligan. Picture tayo.
It's me, B. Ano na yan? Ay, kay B yan. Vlog ni B.
So, yun na nga guys. Napakadaming gulo dito. At hindi namin makalimutan mga pagtawa namin sa photo. Parang kami mga taga Manila talaga, no? Kami yung concentric site Manila. So, parang taga-tundo talaga. Dinala namin yung tundo dito sa Pasay. Ang gaganda nila. Promise. Iikot talaga ako. Ano ba yan? Hi! Say hi to the vlog. Hi! So, tatry namin yung 360. Grupo kami. Tatlo kami. So, paano ba?
So, hingat mo pa ng
Paganyan.
kung pagano'n yung dito na.
Ikaw pa lang. Pakanan.
Tapos kung mag-stop na yung camera, look ako na po.
Isang ticket lang nga yan, sir.
Wala na pala. After lang.
Madala ba kayong buo namin, guys? Tapos,
Sige lang, be.
Thank Thank you. Nahilo ako. Totoong nahilo ako. Thank you po. Totoong nahilo ako. Parang ang hirap ako sundan yung camera. Ano? Mali. Mali itong ginagawa natin. I have photo. Sweets agad tayo, di ba? Para mataas ang energy today. Tatay. Hello! Welcome to day 2. This is our... Ingay ni O. So guys, this is our day 2 here at A&E Concentrics. Medyo maingay sila. Pasensyahan nyo na. So ito si Angie. So you saw her sa Marriott. Yan, siya yung aking makeup artist. Dito kami nagsiset. Yan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga little highlights dito sa loob. So, ibang klaseng episode to ngayon ng Concentrics kasi may Tagalog siya. So, it's so comfortable that I'm speaking Tagalog. Yes. Uy, Obi! Thank you for meeting me here. I was craving for coffee so I could take in all the excitement from that jam-pack event. I still can't believe I was there. Concentrics Recognition Night. Wow. As in like, wow.
I know, right? I feel like I'm still in the event and I can't get over it.
Exactly. Correct.
You're a Concentrics influencer, right?
Yes?
I'm just curious lang. How much do you think they spent for that event?
If I tell you, I have to shoot you.
Shoot me?
For my vlog, ano ka ba? Tonight was bongacious kasi. See, Concentrics rented out the Marriott and gave huge rewards to those awardees. So, it must be a lot. Tapos, the theme was Concentrics House of Champions. Social!
Shala naman. Kabog lahat ng ibang event.
O, yung Exicom, dancers din pala, no?
Oo nga eh. Akala mo grand opening number from Broadway, di ba?
Correct. Achieve na achieve. Speaking of, how did you feel when you found out that you are one of the most outstanding staff? Imagine, you're part of the 1% of all Concentric staff. Creme de la creme. Di ba it's your first time as an awardee?
Well, sige. Sa true lang I didn't expect to go on stage. But I was told I was one of the elite rock stars and that I had to attend the recognition night. But most outstanding staff, I really couldn't imagine it.
Hala siya!
Well, I think I've been tenacious this past year. I've exceeded expectations, scorecards, and that's despite the odds. And now, I'm here.
Oh, see? How do you feel now?
Aside from feeling and being hot in this outfit, I feel so happy to be appreciated and celebrated.
What's the prize pala for the most outstanding staff? Did you get a trophy?
Aside from a trophy, I got 15,000 pesos.
What do you plan on doing with the prize money?
Just like any other person, I'd probably spend it with bills.
50,000 pesos ang bills mo?
Food. Uy, B.
Ah.
The food of the recognition night was so good, no? I really wanted to eat more red velvet cake, but I was scared that my shirt would pop. I wanted to eat 2 rounds of dessert pa naman.
Here, you want to have some?
What? You had that all this time?
Yes!
Can I get some?
Sure.
Speaking of, what's the next topic for Consent Trips?
Well, you better keep it here if you want another episode of Consent Trips. See ya!